Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I know you just saw it, but we got a 335 peeking because that's what this video is all about. Obviously, this is not my car. This belongs to a good friend, Ethan. His Instagram will be up on the screen if you want to go follow for more of his build. But of course, this tastefully modded 335 kind of speaks for itself. We're gonna pull it out here, get a couple more shots, but before we do that, I want to kind of go over the modifications done to this car, and none other but Ethan himself is going to talk us through it.
Yeah, so this is full bolt-on, the N5X engine, single turbo, and I've got a few other things along that. So full bolt-on, we got the intake, charge pipe, Catless downpipe way in there, the MHDN JB4 backflash, precision Raceworks coil pack, and then just a catch can. Got muffler delete.
Everything's going to be down in the description to make it a little easier if you guys want a full build list, I suppose we'll call it.
Yeah.
But realistically, power-wise, what do you think it makes?
I'd say, well, I'm on E85 mix as well right now, so I think it's close to 400 wheel, a little over 400 torque. So, you know, nice for daily driving. Exterior modifications, we got the BC Racing, as you can see, the BC Racing coilovers set at 2.5 inches lower right now than stock. We also got the rotors there. Those are R1 concept rotors, and I also have upgraded ceramic R1 concept pads. Spacers as well. The fronts, I've got 10mm front, 17.5mm rear, BWE Customs side skirt, tinted headlights. Also got intake scoops in here. For this interior here, I've got this upgraded steering wheel here, flat top and bottom. Recently wrapped trim, gloss black, blue aftermarket start stop button, blue to match my rotors. For the rear here, got this lip here. This I believe can buy from BMW factory as an aftermarket part. And then got 4.5 tips here. Fit a fist in there. And then the M Sport rear bumper, recently bought this and got it painted. I love how it looks on these E90s.
So that's kind of the rundown for modifications on this car. We're actually going to take it out, do a little field test, a little test drive, if you will, going up some of the nice windy roads of the peninsula. Talk more about the car, some of the ownership, costs here and there, ups and downs, quirks, features, you name it. This is going to be fun. I have ridden in this car before, but I want you guys to experience it a bit as well. So we're gonna take it out and I'll catch you there.
Owning this E90 335 with the N5X engine, there's been a few, I guess, maintenance things to work on. So like I've done the valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket is what I'll be doing later this summer. I mean, that happens when I've got 182,000 miles on this car, the body at least. The engine was replaced at 160,000. The engine has 100,000 miles on it now. I do oil changes twice a year. That just really ensures that this engine stays healthy and promotes longevity. This will be my 3rd summer owning this vehicle, and definitely plenty more summers to come. I do drive it year round though. I mean, BMW xDrive works very well in the winters. It's a very, very comfortable car to daily drive. It's smooth on all roads. I mean, if you don't have BC coilovers, I have to take downtown roads up here in northern Michigan very slow. Yeah, I mean, other than that, you can go fast when you want to go fast and drive slowly and calmly when you want to, and comfortable interior.
I say the same thing about my car. Comfort mode, it feels like a limo, and then if you want to, you can be a race car driver, just turn into dynamic, but I totally get that.
So the JB4 tune, that's what this is right here. So we got oil temp, air fuel ratio, RPMs, boost gauge, my trims, which is for fuel, and then intake air temperature. And then I have MHD backend flash as well, which is just for the burble tune I have, and it's quite loud, especially with the muffler delete. But yeah, the JB4, that's a very popular tuner flash module that a lot of N54, N55 owners do get. I can even read codes on the go.
That's what we like to see.
Yeah,
right
that's
there.
that's very rare, actually.
I'll tell you right now, the exhaust sounds from this car do not do it justice from the camera. Even being inside, like being outside the car and hearing the pops and bangs is nuts. The cold start, I had to plug my ears and it wasn't even entirely cold. Overall, favorite, least favorite part of this car? Just hit us with it.
I don't know what to say.
It is a tough question on the spot, I guess.
I guess favorite, I'll have to say the look. Just exterior, it's a very timeless looking car. I've had people like say to me like, oh, is that a 2018? Like people that don't know these cars, I'm like, oh, this is 2011 then. This is a 10-year-old car. I guess least favorite, all the problems the engine can have for both N54 and N55 platforms. More so for N54, but these cars just run into so many like gasket issues.
Hate to be selfish and talk about me here, but if the viewers know, I used to own an E90 as well. So that same exact exterior styling with the LCI, the facelifted front end, that was probably my favorite part too, just because, I mean, in particular, I had the Alpine white, but the titanium silver looks so good, especially with the meticulous care that you take care of this car with. I mean, honestly, like, it's always looking good. It's always in the shop. It's always looking clean. And it's just so fun to be in this car. It makes me miss my E90. Well, that was certainly an experience. I want to thank Ethan again very much for letting us ride along with him and get to know his car a little bit better. If you guys are new to the channel and want to see more of this, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Go follow this build on Instagram, Titanium N55. But that wraps up the video. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day. And until next time, we'll see ya.